Today we're doing vegan pecan bars. Ingredients include almond flour, rolled oats, pecans, dates, vanilla extract, salt, vegan milk. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now we're going to make our crust. We're going to add 3/4 cup of almond flour, 3/4 cup of rolled oats, and we're going to add 1/3 cups of dates and 1/2 teaspoons of salt. Pulse a few times and blend. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Blend it some more. Once it's ready, put the crust in the pan. Bake in the oven for 10 minutes on 350 degrees. Now we're going to make our filling. We're going to add 1 1/4 cups dates to the blender. Add 1/4 cup of oats. 1 cup of vegan milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend your filling. Once it's ready, add it on top of the crust. Spread out the filling evenly. Take 1 cup of pecans and press them down on top. Bake for 30 minutes on 350 degrees. Take it out of the oven and let it cool for a little while. We let it cool for about an hour.